Children, let's learn the colors. This color is red. This is red apple. This color is yellow. And this is yellow banana. This color is pink. And this is pink ice cream. This color is blue. And this is a blue car. This color is orange. And this is a orange fruit. This color is purple. And this is purple grapes. This color is black. And this is a black cap. This color is brown. And this is a big brown bear. This color is white. And this is a yummy white milk. This color is green. And this is a green leaf. Now let's guess the colors. Children, which color is this? Red. Which color is this? Yes, brown. Now which color is this duck have? Yellow, yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.